Today I have this unfinished pumpkin with a little curly stem at the top, very cute. And I'm starting with Wise Owl chocolate over the entire pumpkin. You want to make sure that's completely dry. And then you're going to take a chip brush, which is just a cheap brush from a hardware store with the wooden handle. And I like them for dry brushing because their bristles are kind of every which way, and it really helps without putting too much paint on. You want to tape off the stem, and you're going to make these heart motions, and then a half a heart motion on each side. And we don't want full coverage because this is going to be a rustic pumpkin. And this just gives dimension and interest to your project. Once that's dry, you're going to remove your tape. And with a small art brush, you want to take a little chocolate and make a V coming out of the bottom of the pumpkin stem. Now I have this spray on this little stem, and I'm tucking it behind the pumpkin stem. To the right hand side there's a little rivet that it's tucking right in, and I'm tying it on there with some jute. I'm going around a couple times just to give some security, and I'm tying it in a knot on the side. And you can allow these strands to hang. I kind of thought they were kind of cute, or you can cut them off. It's completely up to you. Now I'm taking 3 different black ribbon, one with polka dots, one with zigzags, and one with the buffalo plaid, and with some pinking shears so we have a nice edge. I made these small strips, and with a smaller thin white ribbon I tied them all together, and I left the white ribbon with long tails so I can wrap that in the same area where the jute is and tie the ribbon to the pumpkin. This gave this stem a little bit more stability as well. Now I have this little metal bless that I'm just placing. I'm centering mine. You could do whatever you want with yours, and I'm using E6000. This is stronger than the hot glue. I really hope you enjoyed this video. We did create a kit over at chalkitupfancy.com if you want to tackle this yourself, that we will mail out. Get you started on your pumpkin season while supplies last. And any paint products, brushes, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Now you may want to take a Q-tip if you got some glue that leaked through your letters, and there you go. You have a cute little rustic pumpkin that you can hang on your wall or your door or add to a wreath. Thank you so much for watching. chalkitupfancy.com.